Hello everyone, this is Carol Sue from Carol Sue Southern Designs. I want to share with y'all my very first junk journal. I made it out of a hardcover book and it is in the Halloween theme. Here I made us a charm. I used scrapped pieces of cloth that I have, ribbons, couple broken necklaces, couple charms. Okay, I haven't finished the front cover or the back cover, only because I haven't decided what to do with it yet. I might just leave it blank. But I painted over the end cap. I have kind of got it a little full. Yeah, okay, here we go. I was inspired for my junk journal. I just learned about junk journaling this year from the Book Vandel. Oh, I forgot her name and I'm so sorry because I watch you all the time. Natasha from Treasure Books and Pam from The Paper Outpost. So if y'all want to check out any of their channels, go right ahead. They will give you a lot of great ideas. I did buy from Etsy a couple of ephemera packs and paper packs because I just didn't have anything Halloween to do junk journaling. And also I bought cardstock, which this is lined with cardstock. I have 3 sleeves. I'm sorry, 3 signatures. And I think it was like 72 pages altogether. Alright, each signature starts with what is that, bingo board. Here we got a pocket and I put some haunted house tickets in it. My favorite Halloween is vintage. I love vintage colors, so that's my first book. I wanted it to be vintage. Here we have some wrap I printed out. This was scrapbook paper, but it's one-sided. So what I did was I flipped it over and printed stuff on the back of it. And used some cheesecloth, and here's more writing. Same here. Printed on both sides. And this came out of a big pack of papers from the Dollar Tree years ago. I just had them all these years. This pocket. Here we have some little pockets, little writing areas. This was supposed to be a treat sack, I think, but I didn't want to do it that way, so I just cut it and made a little envelope in it. And this is scrapbook paper. This is regular copy paper that I coffee dyed. Here's another one. I got Tsunami Rose. I'm not sure what the other one was that I got more of the vintage stuff from, like this. But here I mixed scrapbook paper with copy paper. And this was an oak garland from the Dollar Tree. I love 3D. I just... Some more journaling space. I haven't decided what to do with all the ones like this. I might just leave it and just because it's so pretty to look at. But here's my first signature. I tied with wax thread. A couple index cards that I inked and coffee dyed. And I got this cool like diamond effect from doing it on my wrought iron furniture. Black cat, and I used a piece of ribbon, wired ribbon from Dollar Tree from years ago. I thought that was cute. I love texture. I love the feel of the different stuff. And I try to make everything like where I could journal and where I could look. I could put pictures here. Like, I think what I'm going to do is go back from all the years of my grandkids and like grab some pictures from them or maybe my kids, and put their pictures on these right here. And here's another one. Got a whole bunch of goodies in this, and I love that. They're like tiny, and these are even open. You open them up, write your little notes in there. So I thought that was cute. This is my very first junk journal. I'm so proud of it. Here I used a piece of book paper that came out of the book that I actually deconstructed to make this. Here's the scrapbook paper. I made a little envelope, put me a little index card in it for journaling. Put it back in this little pocket. And that's the end of signature 1. Here's signature 2. It's a pocket. And how I put my signatures together, because what I did is I gutted the book, then made a piece of I think it was a cereal box. I sewed them to a cereal box, and then I taped them with medical tape, the strong medical tape. But here's signature 2. I'm still going to add some more stuff. I'm just not decided. I got a pocket here. Technically, this folds over. Hey, Rain Rain. My kitty cats will come visit us. And this little girl holds a pocket. I like finding a lot of treasures and a lot of hidden places to write stuff. Made that out of cardstock and printables or digi-kits. And here's some printables that I made. This right here was I seen it on Google. This is Halloween music sheet. I thought that would be cool. And all this right here these are printables. I downloaded them and printed them on just regular copy paper. And ones like this is scrapbook paper. Here's the center of my second journal. And I put little pockets with tags. On this I use cardstock to make it a little thicker. And I printed the front. First I printed the front with this, and then I went back with whatever these I wanted and just print them and cut them out. That way I didn't have wasted space or it's so much better than white. But I love these. These are just too cute. And here, Dollar Tree spider that I glued to a paper clip for a bookmark. And a little Dollar Tree felt sticker. And I think this is like my second favorite in the whole book. I just put a couple of little ribbons together and glued that on. It's 2 pockets, and also made from book page from this book. Orange. I'm glad I had a lot of these in that bag that came from, it's just a bag of mixed papers from Dollar Tree. I don't even know if they even still sell them. It's been so long. And here I just added some different pictures to it to give it more interest. This and just makes me giggle. It's little strips you get from Dollar Tree for the classrooms, and I just glued them on there and put a little tag for that one. That's a pocket. It's a deep pocket. This is a flip up where I could write anything down here. And I added the cheesecloth again, right there. And another little pumpkin. Hey, Rain Rain. Now we're in, hey baby, it's my little Rain Rain. She's so sweet. Yeah, you're gonna see her a lot in the videos because she loves being out here for Memo. Come on, Rain Rain. Here's signature 3, and I got 3 tags. And I coordinate them on and off. I want to do the orange, the black. My main thing is orange, black, and white. It's the vintage colors. This was, I think this was part of this Tsunami Rose, which till 2 months ago I never heard of Tsunami Rose, but you know, hey, I'm behind. This is really pretty Victorian. And here's another. This texture, I don't know, I like feeling the different textures. There's another wide ribbon from Dollar Tree. Why, baby? Mama looking at her book. Come on. And I kept on a come on, Rain Rain. On a witch theme. Rain Rain. Scoot, scoot. Good girl. A Victorian house with the owl. I try to stay true to the colors of the black, white, and orange. Oh, what baby? Mama's little girl. I love these. I mean, cut out the little kitty. Made these pockets. I might go back and add different stuff to pockets, maybe bigger. This was all a kit that I got on Etsy. I try to make the center of each signature double-sided, double-pocketed. That, I don't know why, just the way I thought it would be best. Like, I've never owned a junk journal before. Back in my day, junk journals was just grabbing a notebook and just drawing and pasting and putting whatever you wanted to in there. Here's another envelope I made. I have a lot of writing space. And in places where I can put pictures, so it's a little both. More which I try to coordinate the next page with whatever they were next to. I try to coordinate the same thing there. And this is the cheesecloth, or creepy cloth, got from Dollar Tree. And this was a printout, and this looks just like my other cat, Bella. Be careful, baby. And I thought that was just too precious, so I put her in there. Another pocket. Put a little tag because it's getting hard. This is another one where I printed the whole sheet, one thing. No, this was the scrapbook paper that would come on one side. So I put it through my printer and printed other stuff on the other side before I'd have it. And this was just cut out with some really cheap Dollar Tree zigzag scissors. And that's Tsunami Rose. And here I made an envelope. Put to the back and put 2 more. This isn't Halloween, but I thought it would go with it. I'll put me a little ghost there. Everything was put in here with fabric tack glue. Something I'm new to. Yeah, if you like, please think about subscribing. I got more content coming. Again, go check out Pam at the Paper Outpost, Natasha at Treasure Books, and check out the Book Vandel. Yeah, thank you.